Hello and welcome to Elite Geospatial. Today we are looking at group layer. So what is a group layer in ArcGIS? A group layer is a way to organize related layers and tables within a map or scenes, especially acting as a container or a folder for other layers. It allows for easier management and navigation, and also showing of complex maps, especially when dealing with numerous layers. So a group layer stores references to multiple futures classes and allow them to be displayed and changed together. So as the name applies, group, there are layers that are grouped. Now this involves when you change something, their symbology are changed together, their categories and all of that. So they are done everything once you group them, they are changing their patterns, everything becomes as a group. So this can be done even on ArcMap using the ArcCatalog pan, or you go to ArcCatalog to get it done. So on ArcMap, you just go to the catalog pan and right click on the folder to which you want to create a group layer. Then you go to new and you will see a group layer. But we're going to be using catalog pan the ArcCatalog itself to do that. So we are here on the catalog and we can see catalog tree. So this is the catalog tree, and what I want to do is inside map production. Which one is this? So you can see all the folders in map production. So I'm just going to right click on the map production and I'm going to go to new and I'm going to go to a group layer. So on group layer, so it has a new group layer here. So I'm going to right click and then rename it to also from here I will just do that myself. Okay, so let's look for group layer, new layer, right? So right click on it and click on rename. So I'm going to name it Taraba. So I want to group some certain features in Taraba by itself. So we have Taraba named, right? So you right click on the Taraba now and go to its properties. That's the group layer of Taraba now. So when you get to the properties, so on the group tab, we have the general tab where the name is. We can still write the name here. We can put a description and we can put a credit. Well, let's say, we can just say group map for Taraba. I can just say layers. So I do not have an L, so I'll leave it layers. Then you go to group. Now on group, you go to add. So this add, we are going to add a series of future class that we have that we want to put them together. So basically, to produce a map, we need the LGA boundary and we need the road layers, we need the localities. So I'm going to add them together. We need the headquarters data, we need the school, we need the road, we have major road, we have federal highway, we have hospital, we have settlement, we have the state boundary, and we have stations, that's like policing. We have water body, and let's say this is okay for us, so we just click on OK. Now they will be added here. So they are all added. Now that they are added, you click on apply to have them grouped together. Now they are already grouped together. Whenever you drag Taraba in, they are grouped together. All right. Now, now that we've added this together, if I said OK now, and I go back to ArcMap, and then I drag this very layer that we created. I want to do it here so that you see that they are together. All right. So we go down to the work folder, double click on it, and then we'll go to map production. Then we drag the Taraba layer, group layer. You see that everything that is inside there will come with it. So this is how to create a group layer. So after these have all been added, what we can do with this now as group, once you see it as group, you see, like I brought it to the ArcMap, you see that all of them came as group. But when you enter the layer properties, where we are now, if I click on OK, then we go back and right click, then go to layer properties. You can easily, individually, you can go to individual and then go to its properties and make an adjustment to each of them. All right. So you can change its name, you can make selections, you can make which one appear bigger and which one appear using the display tool. Okay, so on the display, you can use the transparency tool. And you can also go to symbology and change its symbology, whether you categorize it or do anything with them. And you can go and also label it individually. So whatever you do to it will appear at the end of the day. Okay, so this is how you can work on them as a group and having a group layer created. So thank you for watching, and do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. I love you.